Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a busy bagel shop in New York City. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the staff at the shop. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What word do people use at a bagel shop in New York for putting cream cheese on a bagel? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, look at this line. It goes all the way outside.
Yeah, this is normal on a weekday morning. Everyone stops here before work.
It is only 7:30. Are people really this hungry?
Bagels and coffee, it's the famous New York breakfast.
The line is moving fast, though. Faster than I thought.
Just wait, you'll see why.
What do you mean?
Listen to the counter. Can you hear them?
I hear people shouting words. Everything, toasted, light schmear. What does that mean?
That is an order. The staff shout it to each other very fast.
Why do they shout like that? It sounds so fast.
Because it is fast. Look inside. Do you see the three workers?
Yes, one is cutting bagels, one is by the toaster, and one is putting on cream cheese.
Right. They all work on the same order at the same time. The short words help them move fast.
Oh, I see. So one person does not have to say the whole sentence.
Exactly. A few words and everyone knows their job. That is why the line moves so quickly.
That is smart. But what is schmear? I do not know that word.
You'll learn. Just wait until we get to the counter.
Now I really want to know what it means.
Trust me, it is important. You'll hear it a lot today.
Okay, I'm ready. The line is moving again.
See, we're almost at the door already.
This place is busy, but everyone looks happy.
That is because the bagels here are really good. You will understand soon.
Is it always this busy, even on rainy days?
Even in the rain. Actually, rainy days sometimes bring more people because everyone wants a hot coffee.
That makes sense. I would want something warm too.
This shop has been open for over 30 years. A lot of people grew up coming here.
Wow, 30 years is a long time for one small shop.
The owner still comes in some mornings. People know his face.
That is nice. It feels different from a big company coffee shop.
Much different. Everyone here feels like a neighbor, not just a customer.
I like that feeling already, and we haven't even ordered yet.
Just wait, it gets even better once you taste the bagel. Hi, Tony. Busy morning today.
Hi, Ellie. Yeah, busier than usual. What can I get you?
An everything bagel, toasted, light schmear, to go, please.
Got it. Light schmear on an everything bagel, toasted.
Thanks. My friend Ken is new to the city. He does not understand the word schmear yet.
That happens a lot. A lot of new customers think schmear tells you the amount of cream cheese.
Oh, so it does not mean a big amount or a small amount?
No, not at all. Schmear just means the cream cheese we put on your bagel, the normal way.
So a schmear is just the regular amount then?
Exactly. If you want less, you say light schmear. If you want more, you say extra cream cheese.
I get it now. Schmear is not about the size. It is just the name for putting cream cheese on.
Right. It comes from Yiddish, an old New York word. It means to put cream cheese on something.
That makes sense. I always forget how many small words like that we have here.
This city has a lot of food words. You learn them one at a time.
True. How is your morning going, besides being busy?
It's good. We had a line before we even opened the doors today.
Wow, that early?
Yes, people start lining up around 7. It's like this every weekday.
I believe it. Okay, here's my card.
That will be $4.50.
Here you go.
Thanks. Do you want a coffee with that today?
Not today, thanks. I already had one at home.
Smart. Coffee here gets expensive if you buy it every day.
True. I save it for weekends mostly.
A lot of regular customers do the same thing. Bagels on weekdays, coffee on weekends.
That sounds like a good plan.
It works for a lot of people around here.
I might try that too, starting next week.
Perfect. Your bagel will be ready in a minute. Next in line, please.
Thanks, Tony. See you soon.
Excuse me, can I order here?
Sure. What would you like?
I would like a plain bagel, toasted, with an extra schmear, please.
An extra schmear?
Yes, is that not right? I want more cream cheese.
Actually, schmear is not a size word. It just means the cream cheese on your bagel.
Oh, so extra schmear does not really make sense?
Not really. If you want more cream cheese, you just say extra cream cheese.
I see. I thought schmear meant a certain amount, like a lot or a little.
A lot of people think that at first. You are not the only one.
Really? I'm not the only one who does not understand it right away?
No, not at all. I hear people order it the wrong way almost every day.
That makes me feel a little better.
Don't worry about it. It's a strange word if you've never heard it before.
So if I just say a schmear, what do I get?
You get the regular amount. If you want less, say light schmear. If you want more, say extra cream cheese.
Okay, I understand now. Just a normal schmear is fine then.
Perfect. A plain bagel, toasted, with a schmear. I will make it now.
Thank you for explaining. I feel like I am really learning something new.
That's half the fun of this job. New customers ask questions every day.
I bet you hear a lot of funny orders.
You would be surprised, but everyone learns fast. You will remember this word now.
I think I will remember it forever, actually.
Would you like plain cream cheese, or do you want to try a flavor?
There are flavors? I did not know that.
Yes, we have vegetable, chive, a small green onion, and even strawberry.
Strawberry cream cheese sounds interesting. Is it sweet?
A little sweet, yes. Some people love it on a plain bagel.
Maybe next time. Today I'll just try the plain one first.
Good idea. Learn the basic order first, then try something new later.
That's smart advice. One step at a time.
Exactly. There's no hurry. You have many mornings to learn more. Here's your bagel. Enjoy your morning.
Thank you so much, Priya.
This bagel is really good. The cream cheese is perfect.
Told you. Best bagels in the city, I think.
I believe you now. Hey, look at that man who just walked in.
Oh, that is Mr. Chen. He comes here every single morning.
How do you know his name?
I have seen him here many times. Watch this.
Watch what?
He has not said a word yet, but look at the counter.
Wait, they are already making his order?
Yes. Look, Priya is already putting his bagel in the toaster.
That is strange.
How do they know what he wants?
He comes here every day and always orders the same thing. The staff just remember.
Wow, that is a nice feeling, I think. Like everyone knows you.
It's a small shop. The same workers see the same customers every morning.
I guess after a while, you do not even need to talk.
Exactly. He'll just walk to the counter, pay, and take his bag.
Let's watch. I want to see if you're right.
Look, here he comes. No words, just a smile and a nod.
You were right. He's already paying.
I told you, this happens almost every morning.
That is such a nice part of city life. I did not think that would happen.
Small shops like this are like that. People become like family here.
I like that a lot. Okay, should we finish eating before we go?
Yes, let's finish. We still have a little time before work.
Does that happen with a lot of customers or just him?
A few of them. There's also a woman who always orders the same coffee.
How long does someone need to come here before that happens?
I'm not sure exactly, but he once told me that he started coming here years ago.
Years? Wow, that is a long time to keep coming back to one place.
It really is. Small shops like this need customers like him.
I can see why people love this neighborhood.
Me too. It's one of my favorite parts of living here.
I'm starting to understand why you talk about this place so much.
Now you know my secret.
Hi again. Can I get one more bagel to go?
Sure, Ken. What can I get you this time?
An everything bagel, toasted please. Just a light schmear, please.
A light schmear. Wow, you use the word perfectly.
I remembered what you told me earlier.
You got it. A little less than the regular amount, spread nice and even.
This one is actually for my friend at work. She has never tried a real New York bagel.
That is nice of you. She is lucky to have a friend like you.
I want her to try the best one, so I came back for another.
Smart choice. Toasted or plain with a light schmear?
Toasted, please, just like mine.
Perfect. One everything bagel, toasted, light schmear. I will make it right now.
Thank you. I'm actually a little proud of myself right now.
You should be. This morning you learned a real New York word.
I did. It feels good to use it the right way.
Most people need a few tries. You got it after just one mistake.
I guess I'm a fast learner.
Here's your bagel. Tell your friend to enjoy it while it's warm.
I will. Thank you so much for your help today, Priya.
Anytime. Come back and see us tomorrow.
I think I will. This has become my new favorite place.
Does your friend know you're bringing her a bagel?
No, it's a surprise. She just moved here last week.
That is so nice. A New York bagel is a perfect welcome gift.
I thought so too. Everyone should try one during their first week here.
Maybe she will come here herself after she tries it.
I hope so. I can show her around the neighborhood too.
You are already starting to feel like a real New Yorker, Ken.
I guess I am, little by little.
One schmear at a time.
Exactly. One schmear at a time.
Have a great day at work, Ken.
You too. Thanks again.
So, what do you think of your first real bagel shop morning?
I loved it. I learned so much in just 30 minutes.
You learned a new word, met the staff, and got breakfast. Not bad.
I did not think a simple bagel would have such an interesting story.
New York has a lot of small stories like that, if you look around.
I will remember schmear for the rest of my life now.
I believe you. You will never forget your first mistake.
True. Look at us now, walking with warm bagels in our hands.
This is the New York breakfast, a warm bagel bag in one hand and a fast walk to work.
And walking to work at the same time.
Exactly. Nobody has time to sit down every morning.
I like this. It feels busy, but in a good way.
Wait until you see how many people do this every single day.
I already saw the line. I believe you.
This is just a normal Tuesday morning here.
A normal morning that taught me a new word and a new breakfast spot.
Not bad for one bagel shop.
Thank you for bringing me here today.
Of course, I am happy you liked it.
I think this will become part of my regular morning now.
Good, then I will see you here again soon.
Definitely. Same time next week?
Sounds perfect. Now let's go, or we will be late for work.
What time do you usually start work?
Around 9, I still have almost an hour.
Perfect. Then we have time to walk the long way through the park.
I would like that. It is a nice morning for a walk.
The weather is good today. Not too cold, not too warm.
This city has so many small things like this. I want to learn them all.
You will, one morning at a time, just like the bagel shop.
That is true.
I already feel more like a New Yorker.
Give it a few more weeks. You will feel completely at home.
I hope so. Today was a great start.
It really was. Let's go.
Right behind you.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What word do people use at a bagel shop in New York for putting cream cheese on a bagel? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!